Good morning. How's everybody? Did somebody just die over there? All right, I'd like to give some free stuff away. Is everybody available to win some free stuff? Is Ty Lord here? Well, let's have him come right on up here first. Let's get the old school winner. Elliot's flashing. Like glowing. What's up?
Left last night, or you would have gotten it? I asked Dave, and he said they didn't give it out until the next day. So I left.
He may have killed Tyler and took the shirt. That's not really true. All the idea I have.
Ed? 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 I have a video card from you to give away, and I'm sure you want to be up here. Do you want the microphone or the card? I want the card.
You get to keep the card, is that what you're saying? So Wes is winner of the video card, everybody! Yay! So, good morning, LanOC. Is anybody here not awake yet? Seriously, if you look around and you see somebody that's still sleeping, let us know so we can all go over and scream in their ear real quick. All right, so we got a few mouse pads and stuff to give away here, and I would throw these out, but these actually cause pain. Anybody need a mouse pad? Come on, somebody needs a mouse pad, surely. Sure. Okay, hold on. Let me see if I can get one back to her. Hold on. Here we go. Oh! Hug, brother, hug. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Okay. First row. First row. Duck. And they don't fly real well. Just throw a video card. Yeah. If you manage to stay awake after I hit you in the head with it, you get to keep it. Let's give one away. Let's give it away. What do we got here? We got a Nitro 380 that we're going to give away. So let's see who we got here. Oh. Okay, if you'll hold this, Miss Vanna. Let's see the number here. I'm gonna. Okay, so the first number is 5. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm a little Lex Disick here. Okay. First number is 2. Is that it? No. Okay. 1. All right. 2. I almost said it. 5. 1, 2, 5. There he is. Woo! Okay, hold on. So let's see if he wins. I'm going to hit you in the head with it. And if you stay awake, here we go. 1, 2. You stayed awake. Holy cow. Talk about a glass jaw. Congratulations.
Thanks, Ed. Thanks for waking us up. All right. Let's even figure out how we're going to do this. I'm going to start things off. I've got a bunch of pieces of paper here. These are all things that like didn't get here in time, and they're gonna drop ship, stuff like that. So what I need is if you win one of these pieces of paper after this, stay here, and because we've got to get your address and everything. So we're ready to go. What are we giving away, Alex? We're gonna give away 3. Lisa Lee. Lisa? Is it, yeah, you have a download that's hitting it? I'm going to draw 3 Cooler Master Storm Mazir. It's a mouse. 203. Do we have a 203? No? Yes? Oh, I'm sorry. Lisa. Yeah, we sent her away. I'll draw the next one while she's coming. Sorry. 149. Remember to come back up here after the raffle. You don't. Yeah, so we'll have a bunch of people up here. 159. Next. Cooler Master Neptune 120 XL water cooling kits. 2 of them. $126. You guys notice how quiet everybody is this morning compared to last night? 124. There we go. Next, 2 Cooler Master Elite 120 Advanced cases. These are the white ones. The mini ITX cases. 204. 204. Alter Ego, Steely? Yes, no? Alter Egos? $168. 168? What's that? Did he get his shirt? 2, 3, 4, but I don't think he's here. That goes in the buy pile because I know he's not coming at this point. 218. 218. The antidote. There's a poison. We need an antidote. Is he here? No? $141. Anything? I wasn't sure I was going to rub 2 papers together. Next, Ergotron. This is I'll tell you the exact model. It is the LX HD sit stand wall mount LCD arm, and they're going to send the keyboard rack as well from Ergotron. The good thing is these are heavy, so you don't have to take them home. It's great that they drop ship. So I'm going to draw your name. You know it, right? 115. 115. Next, two 3D Mark advanced keys. Get rid of all my papers. 175. 175. Just 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Not here? Coming? Does anybody know him? Okay. All right. 200. What? Yeah, remember, if you got a paper, to come back up after the raffle. 240. 240? Anybody see Xwiffy? Yes, no? No? Here but not here? How's that work? I mean, you're either here or you're not here. I'm not quite here, I guess, but yeah. 120. Buddha Stank. Anybody seen them? Are they asleep still? What's that? I'm going to draw it, and I'm going to dump it. It didn't dump. We're good. The funny thing is there's not enough names in there at this point for it to actually fall out, so we're doing good. All right, what should we put with it? I like the mouse pad idea. Case. How do you rub... All right, so if we rub the HyperX Fury mouse pad against the paper, I just like doing this to make Alex rub the two things together. Just she's embarrassed. That's all the reason. No, what? You guys are a bunch of perverts, all right? That's what I was getting at. Am I cutting out? 185. Gus. So, as of right now, we are 100% on rubbing the things together. That's all I'm saying. It's worked. All right. We still haven't seen the D frame, but we'll give away this other case. Intermax, what is this? Intermax. It's an Intermax. I can't say that. I don't even. Is that a logo or a letter? Onius. We're going to go with Onius. From Intermax, though. That right there? I think it's a full ATX. It looks full ATX. 215. Nice. You see the D frame? Do you see the D? It's the D frame there. No? Is she lying? Yeah. D frame mini from InWin. Are you guys awake now? We couldn't find it last night. It was weird. I have no idea. Somebody must have brought it back. One. Who's excited? I heard I was going to pull your name because I see how excited they are. What's your first number? Oh, you're screwed. There's still a chance, right? They might not be here. First letter, or first number, 1. Hey, I mix them up, look. Second one's 4. Who's still in it? Really? Just you? some guy back there. It's 144. Oh. He was so disappointed. What should I give away next? Let's do 3 mouse pads. Kingston HyperX Fury mouse pads. First person up here gets the bigger one, unless you don't want the bigger one. Then you get the smaller one. One, 4, 2. Did Adam come? No, I'm pretty sure that I was told that he didn't show up. What's that? No? Not the person with the username Adam. It's getting a little confusing. We have a Mason and then we have a Mason 15. S Mason. All right. It's username Adam. I have no idea what the last name is. I say too late. 228. 228. Anything? Not coming for sure? Okay. What do we have here? I don't know what I can rub together is what she says. This is going to be good. This is an IC dock SATA hard drive SSD backplane. It's all metal. You could feel the weight in this thing. This is from P3 Computers, Cards, and Games in Dayton. Oh, Huber Heights, right? I don't hear him, so I assume I'm correct or really wrong. Did you rub them together? All 3? Somebody was like, all 3 of them. That was you, Elliot, wasn't it? I don't believe you. That sounds like something you would say. All right. So far, we're 100% on the rubbing together. 174. Uh-oh. Look. 174, Swole Campbell. See? See? Jinxed it. I was a little worried. I had no plan for any other sort of weird stuff after that, so. Barrel roll. All right, 2 more. $111. Has anyone seen a 111? Well, you've been working on that all night. $196. Do we have a Wild Rover? Wild Rover. There he is. All right, what's the biggest item on this table here? Physically, the biggest item. Game skulls. Ugh. So the good thing about the morning raffles, I go from the biggest stuff all the way down so that when we get to the second raffle today, when you guys are trying to pack your cars, it'll fit. Because nothing worse than getting in your car and you're like, I can't fit anything else, and winning a big case. Like, talk about being excited and then realizing how stuck you are. So, Game Skulls from Gus. I heard a woo. $225. Is that one of yours, Gus? That's one of yours. It's one of his daughters. I'm sorry, I can't. She can't win. She can't win one from him. A sponsor can't win from a sponsor. His sponsor. We'll draw you in again in a second. I'm sure of it. It was a game skull. That's. I don't think, is Opie here, 148? No Opie? Does anybody know if Opie's coming? Has anybody heard? Okay, I'll set it off to the side. No. That's a pretty good story. Forgot about his brother's wedding. I mean, you know, that's a tough decision. 166. I'm going to go through all those Steel Series right there. Four Steel Series, Siberia, version 3, Prisms. Frisky Dragon, did you already win? Did she already win? You didn't win? This is your chance. You can get a second headset. She overnighted one of these to get to her for the land, so there's probably a good chance she'll win one. 2, 1, 6.
That's my girl.
I don't even get it. It's not mine. I was like, what if I pulled Sam's name, like 227? Yeah. I pulled his wife. Matching. Rick, there's not that many left. I can't. I'm not that good to be able to do that. Trust me. Now pull Romans. 191. He said, yeah, I don't know. All right. One last one. All right. What if I pulled Romans 242, Ozzy Osbourne? I just gave away 3 to the whole group.
I was like, he's not on here.
All right, what's next? What am I giving away?
Give away the keyboards. All right.
Keyboards. Cherry. How many do we have? Is there 4? 4 Cherry MX board 3.0s. I believe they're brown switches if they sent what I asked. They gave me the choice. I said browns, so. Yep, browns. Yeah. They are browns. 109. No. 109. Ender. Ender. Next one. 127. Are we going to go for the 127 Mind Meld? Is he here? Mind Meld? Huh. Two, 3, 7. Reckless OP. Yes, no? 2, 3, 7. Don't want a nice keyboard? Should I rub things together? All right. What should I rub? You guys are crazy. Mouse. Let's do one of these. RGM 11,000. Did she do a good job? 170. 100%. Still 100%. I think we found it, guys. Hug? A hug? Yeah. Look what you did.
Oh, I know. What's up, buddy? Thanks, man.
See, he gives hugs. I asked twice. Who am I got on? Are you trolling me? I'll start whipping people. One, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. Patar. Yes, no? He's coming. Alex said you're not here. This is what happens when she falls asleep and everybody else checks people in. All right, I said I'd pull them again. 225. 225. 2 Daves. It says you're pulling. It looks like you got some torrents or somethings. Oh. There she is. You're on the 113. So if you had 111, she had 113. How did somebody get in the middle? What? Oh, well, hold on then. We got a problem. What do we give away? I can't pick it. I can't pick it. Yeah, pick one. Okay, hold on. Let me say pick one, except for the motherboard that I was going to give away in the last raffle. Sorry. Now she wants that. Needs a nice headset. There she goes. She got a Bit Phoenix headset. What are we giving away? I got all excited. Just kept drawing. All right, we got 5 mice from Rosewell, the RGM 1100s. Maybe. Maybe not. 137. $163. There we go. 167. We're on the roll now. See, this is what happens when I'll get past her again. 183. All right, 147. Shadow Jet. What do I do next? What's the next biggest thing here? Power supply. Intermax, 630 watts. Revolution XT. $105. Mad Dog. There she comes. Let's see, what else? Let's do 2 more things here. Let's do Logitech. Now you wake up. G430 headset. So that's all you guys were a little worried when she was eyeing that headset a minute ago, weren't you? I got to draw 2. 129. What is the hat? Is that the Supreme Leader? Put it back on. I like it. I think it's one of those butt pads, but I like it. He looks very comfortable. All right, last thing. Something that would look nice. Oh, well, fine. Let's do. What are you feeling here, Alex? What do you got? While I wait, I'm going to give away something here. Let's see. Go, keep picking something. We're going to go ahead and give away a Mushkin DDR3 Echo 2, 8 gigs. 205. Mick Cowbell. Not coming back? He needed it too? All right, well, let's try this again. 1, 2, 3.
Action.
All right.
Actually, really good before. 1, 2, 3, action.
What am I giving away here? Jeez. All right, last thing. Seasonic S12. How many? Oh, what's the wattage here? 620. 620 watt power supply. Show off. 238. There we go. All right. Let's see. We got the Heroes of the Storm tournament coming up at lockdown is at noon, and then the tournament itself is at 1. So make sure you get your practice in now. Make sure you get signed up if you want to play. What else do we have? Oh. Are you doing this again? They found a charging cable for a phone out in the outside here. So if you're missing your charging cable, I have it. I think that's it. The people who won the papers, please come up here and we'll go ahead and get your information. Alex will get your information.